Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to a new video and your daily update on dogs. We're going to do a full update. We'll talk about the technicals. We'll talk briefly about the fundamentals. Although the fundamental situation for dogs has not changed that much. The 26th of September is still the date when all the airdrops will be done. But as far as I know, when I speak to community members and people that have done the farming, most of the people have their tokens already. And so far, I would say, if you watch my videos, then I think we've been correct. All right, 2 times we saw some strong momentum coming in after dogs finished its downtrend, because I would say that we have finished the downtrend. We had strong bearish impulses right here, down to this main support level right here at 1000, and I do think that since then we've been consolidating more so than downtrending, so that's good. But we've seen bullish momentum twice. First time last week Friday, and then second time this week Monday when the market was also very bullish. And 2 times I told you that at least I would not buy, and 2 times I've been correct. All right. First of all, when we had last Friday, there was in general a pump because dogs was listed with coin margined contracts on Binance. So that was a bit of a fake out. And then last Monday we had a lot of bullish momentum in the markets, of course, but there wasn't a lot of momentum for dogs specifically. So far, I would say we have been safe as a community, which is a good thing. But the bad thing is about dogs at this point of time is that even though I don't think we're as bearish anymore as we were, we're definitely not bullish either. And we are closer, excuse me, that's the clock in the background. And we are closer to being bearish than being bullish, unfortunately. I still think dogs at some point of time will pump. And I mean that, all right? I don't really care what other people think about that, but I still think DWF Labs, which is the market maker behind dogs, at some point of time will pump up dogs. But then we would need to see a significant bullish breakout before entering, right? And at this point of time, if you look at, for example, the open interest here, that hasn't been great. Over the course of this morning, quite a lot of shorts have also been opened, and that's in general something we've seen quite a bit since Monday. Since Monday, a lot of shorts have been opened on dogs. Those are also pushing the price down a bit here, and there's no real reaction from the other side. So at this point of time, we're at that crucial support level right here between 980 and 1000. So the big question is well, all right, I just told you, I think we're more bearish than bullish, but does that also mean that we are going to crash down here? Does that mean that we are going to dump? And I think the answer to that is no, all right? Like I said, I do think that we have formed a consolidation here, and I also do think that we'll be able to hold that consolidation and therefore get some bullish momentum here, back up to the top of the consolidation. And then at some point of time, we will find enough momentum to break out of that top and to rally. But unfortunately, I don't think that's right now. We'll see. And I will let you know when I do think that momentum is there. But for now, and I know this is very boring, but it is how I see the price at this point of time. I think we'll just very boringly consolidate here. Consolidate until we get some better market circumstances, until we get some momentum coming in for dogs, and then we can pump, and then we can break out. Until that period of time, I'll keep you updated. But I think for all of you, it's better to just stay sidelined. And those are my thoughts for now. I do want to warn you a little bit in terms of today that we do have some major economic news. So if this causes a crash for Bitcoin, then there's a chance that dogs will crash as well. All right, because dogs will be bearish together with Bitcoin then, and then there is a possibility that we will fail to hold this consolidation and drop down lower. But I will still keep you updated on that in general in relation to the crypto market later today. So keep an eye out on that for that. But for now, this is what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.